Hey guys, so today we're actually trying on some really cute glasses from Firmoo. They're going to be having a big Black Friday sale and a big Cyber Monday sale. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the cute frames and glasses that they have. I have two pairs I'm going to show you guys that they sent me. I think they're super cute and adorable and they're unique, but I think they're really classy also. So I'm going to also leave the link in the style code of the glasses I have and a code so you guys can save 50% off of the frames that you choose in the description. So definitely check the description for all the details on their big sales and stuff like that. And yeah, and to save some coin, definitely go check out my code. Okay, so the first pair is this one right here. These are so pretty. I love like I don't know if it's like cheetah or leopard print under. And it has like this taupey purple gray color. And then what makes these glasses also unique, they have a little charm right here. It's a little heart that matches like the taupey color. It gets super pretty. So this is the first pair. I like Firmoo because their glasses are super high quality, and this is the brand I always use to buy my glasses, like always. I have so many pairs from them already, so I'm actually bringing you guys a brand I actually wear daily because I need glasses to see. But yeah, their frames are super cute, they're super affordable, and they're high quality. Like literally all the great stuff in one place. And like I said, they're always having sales, but they're gonna have a really big sale on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So this is the first pair. Again, the style number will be down below and all that stuff, all the links and stuff. And also I'll show you me showing you how it looks with that outfit on. This outfit I'm actually wearing. I'll show you what it looks like. And yeah, these are the first one. Aren't these so cute? And they're so adorable. I love them. I love them. So let me show you these ones right here. The style, the shape is different than the previous ones I just showed you. These are the ones I just showed you, and these are the black ones I'm showing you now. So the details are different. Again, high quality. So I also have the charm. This one's a clear charm, like super cute, and like the tips on the inside are purple, which I think is another cute touch. Wow. These are so cute. Again, the style number of these glasses, the link, code for discounts, all that will be in the description. Again, me trying on the glasses with an outfit so you can see how I styled them. Yeah, definitely check out Firmoo because they have super cute glasses that are affordable. They're gorgeous and they're high quality. And do not miss their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. Like, seriously, I'm not going to miss that sale. Like I said, I literally buy their glasses all the time. Like, look, these are one of my daily glasses. I haven't shown you. This is ones I wear daily right here. So, like I said, I literally wear Firmoo. Oh, and I like the detail on these glasses too on the side. They're like unique. Look at that. How cute is that? Like the metal. Listen, I love Firmoo. I literally wear them daily, as you can tell. And these are super cute. So definitely go check out Firmoo. Like I said, the links will all be down below. And yeah. These are perfect for a gift. These are perfect for a present, for Christmas, for people that wear glasses. Literally the perfect gift. Their eyeglasses are high quality and affordable. So definitely go check them out and do not miss their sales. Alright, bye guys.